and this video will show you how to send Bitcoin from your Cash App account to Bybit. First of all, you need to get the Bitcoin wallet address from the Bybit account. You need to log into your Bybit account, then click on Deposit in the top right corner and select Deposit Crypto. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, in this case BTC, Bitcoin. Select the chain BTC also, and you need to copy your wallet address from Bybit. After you will get the Bitcoin wallet address from Bybit, you need to open your Cash App account, click the Bitcoin in the bottom menu, or click the bank icon, and right here you will see the Bitcoin. After you will go to your Cash App Bitcoin page, you will see your Bitcoin balance. Under the balance you will see these three buttons. You need to click on the arrow and there will be Send Bitcoin. Then you need to choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from Cash App to Bybit. After that you need to paste the Bybit Bitcoin wallet address right here, and in the first section you can write anything, it's optional. Then click the next button in the top right, and finally you need to choose the withdrawal speed. If you want to receive your Bitcoin as soon as possible, you can choose the priority, but keep in mind that you need to pay the extra commission. When you choose the speed, you need to click on next button and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes you can check your balance on Bybit. To check your balance, you can click the assets in the top right corner. You can go to the funding account. Right here you will see your Bitcoin wallet address and your balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.